So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face on screen. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best YouTube channel ideas without showing your face, as well as how to choose the right content in order to get views and subscribers right away. So come on, get that bag off your head and let's get started. The first idea for faceless content is unboxing videos. And this genre does exactly what it says on the tin. Videos showing the unwrapping of collectibles or toys are extremely popular on YouTube because a lot of people out there want to see what certain products are like before they spend their money. All you need to make this style of video is a very simple camera setup, one that kind of mimics your point of view, and the options for unboxing videos are pretty endless. You could film yourself unwrapping figurines, trading cards, or even gadgets like phones or tablets. For some inspiration within this genre, you should follow the link down below to Toy Caboodle, which is a channel that has grown to nearly 3 million subscribers by making videos about opening up children's toys in great detail. If you wanted to, you could record your voice from behind the camera just to add some extra information about the product, but most importantly, you don't need to show your face on screen. Because most people watching these videos are only interested in the product itself. They don't really care what you look like. When you upload an unboxing video, make sure you're filling your title and description with the right keywords, especially ones that are related to the specific product in the video, because you want people to be able to find this through the YouTube search. Especially if you're unboxing something from a big brand or a product that's based on a popular character, you want those fans to be able to find your channel through YouTube. The second faceless niche is educational videos, and this is a huge one. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine after Google, so millions of people come to the platform every single day looking to answer questions or solve problems. And there are so many different ways to make engaging educational content without even using a camera. For example, you could use simple animation to make videos about historic events, just like a channel called Simple History, and they've managed to gain over 3.5 million subscribers by doing just that. They often use voiceover in their videos to help tell the story, but nobody ever shows their face on screen. But you also don't need animation skills to start making educational content. You could record science experiments with a very simple camera setup, just like a channel called Home Science. Or you could even make tutorial videos showing people how to use certain software on their computer or how to unlock hidden features on their gadgets. And you can make that style of video just by using screen recordings. And you can start attracting an audience to your educational videos by clearly showing that you're going to answer a question within the title and the thumbnail. Next up is the food genre. And who doesn't love food? Step-by-step how-to recipe videos are amongst some of the most popular videos you can find on YouTube. And that's because they are often evergreen, meaning that this content can appeal for months or even years into the future, because people always want to find something tasty to cook. And of course, the best thing about this genre is that there's no need to show your face at all. You can film using a very simple top-down camera setup, just showing the food prep and the cooking process. And you could even show the instructions on screen by adding some on-screen text, or once again, you could add voiceover or talk from behind the camera just to aid with the understanding of what's going on. And even the very simplest of recipes can bring in a lot of viewers, so don't feel like you have to overcomplicate things. In fact, titles and thumbnails showing that you only need very limited ingredients are some of the most successful styles of food video. Next up is gaming, and this is probably the most famous faceless niche on the platform. There is a lot of competition within this genre, so if you want to start your own gaming channel on YouTube, you need to figure out how to stand yourself out from the crowd. I recommend taking the same approach as we talked about with the educational videos by providing more value to your audience by helping them solve problems. For example, maybe you could make very specific how-to guides for how to beat certain levels or bosses, or how to unlock some hidden features in a specific game. And using very specific niche titles like this can help your videos get found via YouTube search, which is a great way to start growing on the platform. Now, I do have one more niche to talk about in this video, but before we continue, can we give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want some more advice for how to grow as a smaller creator. And if you want another video with 5 more faceless content ideas, then leave me a comment down below. So the final niche I want to talk about is arts and crafts. And again, this is a great way to turn an existing passion or talent into videos that people love to watch. You could make step-by-step DIY guides for how to create something very specific, or you could make videos about how to improve your skills in a particular artistic area. For example, you could make very useful content showing people how to draw or paint a specific character, or you could show the step-by-step process of a mind-blowing restoration project. But people also watch arts and crafts videos for a completely different reason. A lot of people come to YouTube to watch this style of video purely for relaxation. Slow-paced painting and drawing videos can have quite a meditative ASMR style effect that a lot of people love to watch. And once again, you can make this style of video with a very simple camera setup. Just make sure you pay some particular attention to the lighting of your subject, because people like to see the details. And you know what? These 5 ideas only scratch the surface when it comes to creating faceless content on YouTube. So again, if you want to see another video on this subject, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.